What's going on, y'all? And 2 times back at it again. We about to be working on the Cobalt Part 3, and we're gonna be making this one we're gonna take off the stock turbo, put on the new turbo, new clutch, maybe new flywheel, but the flywheel that's already on is really good in condition right now, so we'll see. But let's show you the car right now. So from yesterday, it's still on jack stands, chilling. And what we had all done down here, take off the transmission, all that from yesterday. And yeah, we'll get ready to start working on this right now. About to pull out all the tools and all that. Disconnected a sensor. Right.
What?
Disconnected that sensor. I just gotta unplug it from up here.
You already unplugged it?
No. Working on that turbo.
These two.
Taking off that bar.
Yep. And then we take off the support bar, and then eventually we should be able to get to all the hose lines that need to be unbolted.
Alright.
And unbolt them all. Alright, so I need this eye socket.
Alright. Last bolt.
Is. There's the turbo. Now I can see a lot of the turbo. Yeah, that was easy.
The bolts for the turbo right now.
Yeah, shut up, freeway. I know.
Being so loud.
And the part out's gonna start soon. No.
Low-key having a problem where the bolt's not wanting to.
There it goes.
Oh.
Well, maybe. I don't know. It feels better.
We just had to put some lubricant on it.
It's taking the whole thing out.
It's taking the what?
The whole stud out.
Alright, got it. Alright, about to take out the turbo all the way. Sadly, one of the studs broke. Snapped right here. Where my finger's at, snapped. So, rip.
It's not easy turbo swap. I mean, it's not so easy. Pull down.
There it is. Here's the turbo, all out. Look how dirty that mofo is in there.
Hey, that'll be on the shirt.
We gotta take off that bolt, get to the bolts down here, and take off this piece, put on the other turbo. Show you the other turbo here in a second. But yeah, stock turbo out. Alright, just got done taking off both heat shields off of the turbo, so we can get to these bolts. I put degreaser on them because the bolts on the motor for to bolt up to the turbo, one of them snapped, so I'm trying to keep the studs safe and degrease these bolts so they come off pretty easy. Alright, just got that part off.
Is there a gasket on here? Oh, it's right here.
Looking good. came off super easy because of that degreaser stuff. Alright, Cobalt has to take a break for a minute because the manifold for the turbo right there. You can see that one of the bolts is lower than the other, or studs. It's because one snapped, and that is a big problem because no other bolt will fit on that right now, no matter what we try. Same size and everything, this bolt will not fit in there, no matter what. So that's part 3. Only getting the turbo off, the stock turbo, and yeah, so that's where we had to stop because of the bolt snapped the stud because it wouldn't come unloose. Day 2 of part 3. Yesterday we had to stop because the stud broke and we had to go get new studs from Folsom and bolts. So here's the stud removal from the broken one. Go. Stud out.
No thread on it. Has absolute no thread on it.
No thread on that. Oh my gosh. There's no thread on that hole.
Look at. Let's see the shot. Oh, my bad.
Rethreading the hole because at the beginning it was not looking so good. No thread. Alright, so unfortunately we're gonna have to take the whole exhaust manifold off because this hole is stripped very bad at the beginning. So that means new gasket, and we gotta take this to the shop to get it fixed. So I'm gonna be taking off the whole heat shield so we can remove it. Alright, just got the manifold off. There's the gasket. 3 studs came out. So, well, so this whole manifold now is trash. It's garbage. Rubbish. See this hole? If we were to take it to a machine shop, they would just have to make it bigger, so that's pointless. Because why would we want a bigger stud? That make no sense. So we had to order a whole new one from ZZP. Shout out ZZP, not sponsored. But yeah, we ordered a whole new one from there. $82, great deal. Go check out ZZP, not sponsored again. But yeah, so we're gonna head to the dealership to get bolts because yeah, we tried to put one back on here just to see if it would go back on, and yeah, killed it. So still, this manifold is garbo, no longer needed. Have to get a new one, so the videos are gonna be delayed for a while because the new manifold will be coming in like 2 weeks or next weekend. So, wow. On a 2009, why? So new, but yet so bad. Videos won't be coming in at all this coming up week until we get that manifold from ZZP. Again, not sponsored. But yeah, shout out ZZP. good deal on that manifold. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Y'all are gonna have to wait for a minute until we get this manifold. So at that point, and 2 times, and we out.